Oh, Jesus. This is just to get to the trails initially. It cracks me up. It's awesome. Is that a roll? Kind of. Oh. Oh, this roll's really nice. Oh, oh, left. What's up here? Oh, there's some chunk. Stay to the right. Whoa! Oh yeah. That was awesome. This is the Piedmont Trailhead, Tina. All right, let's see if we can figure out where we want to go here. Wow. Huh. Woo! This is just the entrance. This is a blue trail entrance. All right, so this is just the main entrance to the where the trail split off. It says it's a blue. Tina's struggling. It's a good challenge. Oh, let's go up this way. Oh, yes. All right. Now we got it. Dr. Roxo, double black. Red dress, black, two-way. Okay, so we're here at the Piedmont Trails in Duluth, Minnesota. Tina, what do you think of just the entry trail to get here?
I tell you, they don't know what blue means here. They're on top and
she had to hike a bike a couple spots. So now we got an option of a black, a double black, or a blue. I think we're going to take the blue option.
Where's the green?
So
where's the green?
We're going to start on Scarface, right? It's right over here, hidden the sign is.
Let's hope I don't get a scar in my face.
All right, starting Scarface. Take the inside line there. Go slow and wait for Tina to get through everything. All right, Tina's now caught up to me. This looks doable for her. Oh, a little rock garden. A nice little bench cut along here. Very nice. Tina's still back there. Good. Whoa, she'll enjoy this little area. Woo. I'm guessing she'll walk this. This is a blue, just so you know. She's already gonna walk it. That initial entry is a little sketchy. Okay, Tina made it through that section. That blue section. We'll continue on. Whoa. This must be the exit off Dr. Roxo, the double black. All right, some more rocky stuff for Tina to navigate. We'll go up and over. Yeah. Oh, nice little drop. Let's see how Tina takes that one. If she takes it. Very nice. Good job, baby. Okay, here we go. Gotta go up. I'm guessing Tina's walking that one. Oh, looked back and lost my angle. Here she comes. Whoa.
Okay, this is the way to advance for me. Oh, shoot.
Oh. Nice little kicker. Tina's still walking. She's gonna go around the kicker. Alright. That's the black, so okay, here we go. Upper portion of stovetop. What do we got? It's a roll. It's rollable.
Way too over the mind for me.
Alright. A little bridge ahead. So we've actually done this section. Yeah, the bridge. We've done that bridge in the corner here before. Yeah. Tina's been doing a little bit of hike-a-bike. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? Oh! Keep going, keep going. Phew! All right. Got it. Let's go see if Tina needs a hand. All right, so we got a little bit of smoother trail where Tina can ride. All right, so which way are we going? Straight ahead. Here we go. Nice. We don't need no stinking blacks. We've got blues.
Oh, crap.
I think that's the bridge Tina almost fell off last time. Let's see how she does this time. Oh, she's gonna walk it. Oh. Oh, I don't know how you saved that.
I don't know.
I thought you were going off for sure.
I did.
Double bridge, double bridge. All right. Oh. Oh. If we go left, it's a blue over here. This is considered a double black. Yeah, I think we'll stick with the blue. It's not too steep. So that's the down. Alright, how's Tina doing back there? Oh. Yeah, green. We're on a green. So I came across this little trail candy. I'm gonna go up and hit it. Come back and hit it. Looks pretty good from this way. So we're on green. Tina's much more comfortable on green. So she's gonna actually lead for a little bit. Even the green has trail candy along the way though. Nice bridge work, nice and wide for you. Oh, now you're in your groove. She moves pretty good on the e-bike on a green trail. Oh, look at this. Oh, that looks like fun. Can I hit it? All right, so they got trail candy on the way. I spotted one I want to hit. Let's go try it. Not this one. Coming in hot. Nice, that was nice and smooth. Had so much fun. Thought I'd hit it again. All right, so I've hit that other one twice. This is one before it. Hit this one from the other direction. It's a little more huck to flat, but looks doable. All right, here we go. We're gonna hit the bigger one first. Oh yeah, oh, that's more of a huck to flat. That first one's more of a huck to flat. You just hang in the air and then you just drop. All right, we've done with our sessioning. Time to continue on. Very scenic back here. Oh, look at this stuff, fun stuff. I'm gonna see if I can clean this little rock climb here. Oh yes. All right, let's see if we can make it through this cleanly. Thread the needle up over the rock, through the gap. Yay! Very nice out here. Ew. Now we're on to Deer Slayer. You made it through all that?
To the end in one little rock bed.
Oh,
I should not have.
that's usually what happens, right?
But I could have done those green trails all day long.
Yeah, there's not many of them. Okay, here we are back where we started. Now we gotta go back down the chunky stuff.
Yeah.
To the car. You ready for it? Take your time. make sure Tina makes it. Oh, very good. All right, we got some chunkiness coming. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a little gap. Whew.
You know how many miles we got?
I'd have to check.
4.
4. Oh yeah, I know we didn't get a lot. It was a good workout for you though.
Oh,